Hi, my dear pharma friends. Welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. So here are the walk-in interviewed at Ahmedabad on 8th July from for Otsuka Pharmaceuticals India Private Limited. So here you can see the exciting opportunities at Ahmedabad for Otsuka. The designation is Process in Charge Associate. For Process in Charge, BSc, MSc, B Pharma, Chemistry, Microbiology or Biotechnology. 2 to 7 years of experience is required. For associate, ITI or diploma, 2 to 10 years of experience. So coming to the process in charge, diploma or BSc, BPharm or MSc, 2 to 7 years of experience for packing, and associate, ITI or diploma, 2 to 10 years of experience. The first is for parenteral or injectable exposure only. And coming to the plant maintenance, parenteral or injectable exposure is preferred. BE, BTech or ME, electrical mechanical instrumentation, 2 to 7 years for associate. Diploma, ITI or electrical welder instrumentation, 2 to 10 years. Coming to the date of walk-in interview on 8th Saturday 9:30 a.m. onwards, the interview venue Otsuka Pharmaceuticals India Private Limited. So here you can see Ahmedabad. These are the details. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. For job updates, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel.